What if I told you? Some people are paying over $150 every single month just to use different AI tools. One for writing. One for coding. One for images. One for research. One for presentations. But now there's a new AI platform claiming it can replace most of them for around $14. Sounds unbelievable. Or maybe too good to be true. Today we're finding out. Quick disclosure. If you buy through my link, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Also, this review is based on the vendor's published claims. I haven't personally tested the product. Here's what's happening right now. AI isn't getting cheaper. It's getting fragmented. Every new task seems to require another subscription. Need to write? Pay monthly. Need coding help? Pay again. Need AI presentations? Another subscription. Before you realize it, you're managing 5 or 6 AI accounts instead of actually getting work done. That's exactly the frustration ClaudeGO says it wants to solve. But here's the question nobody seems to be asking. Can one platform actually replace all those tools? Or is this just clever marketing? Let's break it down. Imagine you're a freelancer. A client suddenly wants a blog article, a landing page, marketing emails, a presentation, even some code changes. Normally, you'd bounce between different AI platforms. ClaudeGO claims you can do all of that from one dashboard. According to the vendor, it combines AI writing, coding assistance, document analysis, business research, presentations, websites, and several other productivity tools together. On paper, that's a pretty ambitious promise. But remember, big promises don't automatically mean big results. That's why I always separate marketing claims from real expectations. Now here's where things became interesting to me. The feature list isn't actually what caught my attention. The pricing did. Because instead of another monthly subscription, the vendor promotes a one-time payment. I completely understand why that's attractive. Most creators are exhausted by recurring subscriptions. But here's something smart buyers always remember. A low price doesn't automatically make something a good value. The real value depends on whether it actually replaces tools you're already paying for. That's the question we still need to answer. Let's be honest. Not every AI tool is made for everyone. If you only ask AI a few questions each week, ClaudeGO probably isn't necessary. But if you're creating content, running an online business, doing affiliate marketing, building websites, helping clients, or constantly switching between different AI apps, then an all-in-one workspace could actually save you time. Notice I said could. Because actual performance depends on how well the platform delivers after purchase. This is also where I want to slow things down. Whenever I review software, I always ask myself 3 questions. Does it solve a real problem? Does it save time? Does it replace something I'm already paying for? If the answer is yes, then even a simple tool can become valuable. If the answer is no, even hundreds of features don't matter. That's why I don't recommend buying software because of hype. Buy it because it fits your workflow. Let's talk about what the sales page doesn't automatically prove. The vendor includes several bold claims about capabilities, pricing, and overall value. Those claims should be viewed as vendor-provided information, not independent verification. That's not a criticism. It's simply how smart software buying works. Always verify the current offer, refund policy, and included features before making a decision. So, is ClaudeGO worth it? If you're looking for one AI workspace that aims to reduce the number of separate subscriptions you manage, it's definitely an interesting product to research. If you're already happy with your existing AI stack, you may not need it. The choice really depends on your workflow, not the marketing. If you want to check the latest pricing, bonuses, and everything currently included, I've linked the official page below. And if this review helped you make a smarter decision, subscribe for more honest AI software reviews every week.